naSirWicknel vadecida kugifta Oscar Pambuka ne4x4 Toyota ya 2025 pamwechete ne$10,000 US yekudira fuel pamwechete nekuti afarewo nemhuri yake iri Christmas. Vari kuti macorrections wakanyora wakapedza asi upenyu hunofanira kuenderera mberi. Wakamboti entertainer ka uchiti the news read by Oscar Pambuka. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Zuro ndizuro yaiva Christmas kwa Japreza apo iye netimu yake yose vakapiwa mari dzekuti vaspende iri Christmas kudai. Vese vanoshanda mumba maJapreza, vese vanoshanda gardening, vanotsvaira panze, vanoridza kubendi vakapiwa ma$2,000 US. Kin Musha akapiwa 10,000 nemudzimai waJapreza akapiwawo 10,000 yekuti arambe achientertaina nababa iye Japreza wacho ndokupiwa $20,000 US. Kukanzi guys, indai munoita Christmas nekuti munombopota muchiti entertainer. So vanhu vakati ko mari iyi ine mugodhi uri kupiko. Zvisina kuperera ipapo wiki rese iri naSirWicknel vanga vachipa vanhu emota. Zvimwe zvacho tangoti zvina basa zvemakomanda inchifere tingazviiginowa kungopa vachiwedzera pane zvimwe. Asi pana sei Oscar Pambuka pa tati regai timbomira takadaro. So vanyora tsamba yavo idzo dziya munodzizivawo tsamba dzavo, asi tichangoiti werenge faster todarikira mberi nezvimwe zviri kuitika. Everyone deserves a second chance, ndo matauriro avaita. There comes a time in everyone's life when mistakes are made. Some mistakes are small while others are very costly and capable of threatening lives or destroying careers. It takes real courage for a person to accept their flaws, admit to their failures, but most importantly, commit to change. Such courage is even more difficult when the mistake involves zvinodhaka nekuzvishandisa. This reality reminded me of one exceptionally talented young man who was once the face of national television and whose signature introduction, The News at 8, read by Oscar Pambuka, defined the perfection of journalism. According to his account, addiction regrettably dragged him into a painful episode of his life that led to conviction, losing his job and serving a prison sentence. What, however, seemed like the end of his life and career became a turning point. He accepted his shortcomings without excuse and made the difficult decision to go through rehabilitation by the Zimbabwe prisons and correctional services, a decision which I salute him for. Rather than hiding from his past, he now speaks openly about it, using his own experience to warn other young people. He has become a committed advocate against the drug and substance abuse, especially among the youth, who are most vulnerable. Today, Oscar stands as living proof that rehabilitation works and that change is possible. He has also heeded to and supported the clarion call by His Excellency, the President, and the tireless efforts of the First Lady through the Angel of Hope Foundation to discourage drug and substance abuse, which is worth recognition and support. My dear brother Oscar, you deserve a second chance, just as thousands of young people who are battling with recovering from substance addiction. I applaud you for being the mouthpiece which has seen it all and can boldly say no to drugs. In recognition of your extraordinary life story and commitment to a drug-free society, please go and see Victor at Exquisite Car Dealership. Your brand new 2025 Toyota 4x4 has been fully paid for and is ready for collection. In addition, you receive 10,000 in cash for fuel and as a small Christmas gift. Meanwhile, Zimbabwe looks forward to the day we once again hear the News at 8 read by Oscar Pambuka. Congratulations, my brother, and Merry Christmas to you and to your family. Mota yatobhadhagwa, mari yatomirira, kungomanya kundotora Christmas isati yasvika kuti ugowanawo kutamba Christmas nevamwe. As a journalism graduate, growing up I admired the likes of Oscar Pambuka, Charles Mabika, Patricia Maviko, and Ezra Svanda. They defined the uniqueness of media. It's humbling to see Oscar being recognized. I admire the phrase, second chance. Amhlope siyakubongisa pra Oscar. We are out of words. This is a great lesson for the young people. Oscar Pambuka carries his story with pride and inspires change. Say no to drug abuse. Men's mental health matters. Tinokutendai vachivayo. Indeed, brother Oscar deserves another chance. I even shed tears when I hear his testimony and reminds me of his heydays at ZBC. Oscar is a talented young man and his testimony inspires me as well, that only truth will set us free. He opens up and encourages others in the addiction mood to stay out of drug and substances. Vamwe ndo vari kuti Zimbabwe Warriors, this could have been you, but you decided to allow Salah to score 4 minutes before the full time. Dai Salah igona kusungwa namangetani chaiye, makamugarira 4 madefender vakamuisa pakati kudai kumeka sure kuti hapabudi vakamusonera, but Salah akazongogowesa zvichibva zvangoshaya basa. Takarwadziwa yedu asi takafara because the way they played ane goal possession chichi zvese zvazvitori ball ameno zvakazobva nekupi kungoti Egypt itimu yakasimba mani, asi vakomana vakaratidza kuti aiwa vanga vakatibata kuti dzvi. Chero makaona here entrance vakomana vachiwa kufara, aiwa takafara tikaimba national anthem tichiimbira mudenga asi zvakangofamba wazvo nepamwe. But anyway guys, hazvina basa zvemafortuna izvi iko kuenda vachinomirira nyika vakapfeka jezi riya it is enough. Mafanzi ari kufara vari kungoti zvese ngazviende mberi. Oscar wawanikwa nyasha chokwadi.